So if you've been online at all lately, especially, around the holidays, you've almost certainly seen the ads for the Froplay Puppy.
Oh, yeah. It's also called the Froplay Zoomer Pup. The marketing is just, it's everywhere.
It really is. And they promise this miraculous little AI dog that walks, barks, has a real personality.
And that's really what our deep dive is about today. We're digging into the huge gap between what they claim in those ads and what customers actually get.
Okay, so let's start with the marketing blitz itself. It's pretty aggressive.
Extreme.
They're pushing these huge 75% off Black Friday deals, claiming it has 7, realistic behaviors.
Mhm. And the big one,
Hmm.
over 10,000 five-star reviews.
So where does this all start to unravel? Our sources really point to one key thing.
The videos. It starts with the videos. The
Yeah.
product is immediately flagged as a scam because the movement you see, it's just too smooth, too lifelike.
What do you mean by too smooth?
For that price point. To get that kind of fluid motion, you'd need processing power that costs hundreds of dollars. What you're seeing is almost certainly slick CGI, maybe even AI-generated video.
So the video itself is the first big lie.
Exactly. It's a fantasy. It's not the real product in action.
Okay, that makes sense. But what about all those reviews? 10,000 five-star reviews. That has to mean something, right?
You'd think so, but that's the next layer of the deception.
Okay.
Our sources are pretty clear that those numbers are just fake.
Completely fabricated.
Either that or they're scraped from totally different, legitimate products. It's a really common tactic in the dropshipping world.
So when people actually get the toy, what is it?
It's a cheap, stiff little robotic dog.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's just a plush toy with a tiny speaker inside.
Wow.
Yeah, just makes some basic pre-programmed sounds or movements. There's no AI, no personality, nothing. It's the kind of thing you could find on Temu or Alibaba for like $1.
So this is bigger than just a bad toy. Let's talk about the company's tactics, because our sources pointed out some major red flags.
Right, this isn't just a faulty product. It's a whole mechanism designed to deceive.
The Froplay Puppy is basically a classic case of rebranded drop shipping.
Exactly. The company finds a super cheap product on a site like Alibaba, builds a flashy website around it with fake testimonials, staged photos.
And that news article promoting it, I saw that it looked pretty professional.
That's called an advertorial. It's a paid ad designed to look like a real, objective news report.
And that's so tricky for consumers because it blurs the line between a real recommendation and just a sales pitch.
It totally does. They hide a tiny disclaimer, use models, and play on your emotions to sell that $1 toy for a massive markup.
And what's maybe the worst part?
Is that a lot of customers report the toy never even shows up. And when they try to contact customer service, just radio silence.
So let's bring this all together. What's the main takeaway here for you, the listener?
It's really about understanding how sophisticated these scams have become. They're using AI-generated ads, the drop shipping model, these slick advertorials.
All to make a piece of cheap junk look like some kind of cutting-edge technology that's on a limited time sale.
Which leaves us with a final question for you to think about. Considering how easy it is to fake videos and reviews with AI now,
Yeah.
what specific details should you look for, beyond just the star rating, before you trust one of these steep, too-good-to-be-true discounts you see online?